Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. My name is Ayça and I'm your English teacher. In today's video, we are going to be learning the 15 vocabulary items of transportation. So, let's start. Car, car. Taxi, taxi. Ambulance, ambulance. Airplane, airplane. Helicopter, helicopter. Ship, ship. Ferry, ferry. Boat, boat. Yacht, yacht. Train, train. Truck, truck. Van, van. Bicycle, bicycle. Motorcycle, motorcycle. Bus, bus. Thank you guys for listening to me. I hope this was helpful for all of you guys. So I will see you in the next video very soon. If you like this video, don't forget to give big thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more English videos like this. Bye bye.